Hola, and Bonjour, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solórzano with your weekly update for the week of February 20th, 2026. It's time to swim into another fantastic week. The Lake Worth Street Painting Festival is taking place this weekend, Saturday, February 21st and Sunday, February 22nd. We hope to see you all there. Be sure to stop by and say hello and show your shark pride. Don't forget to take photos and tag us on Facebook so we can share the fun and celebrate our amazing shark community together. We're excited to share that this week, the elementary campus will be celebrating a special Black History Month Spirit Week, thoughtfully combined with our International Pink Shirt Day. Here's what our elementary sharks can look forward to. On Monday, we kick off the week with Black Excellence Day. Students are encouraged to wear black or gold as we celebrate Black leaders, heroes, and everyday excellence. On Tuesday, it's Proud of My Roots Day. Students may wear cultural clothing, patterns, head wraps, dashikis, flags, or colors to honor their heritage, family traditions, and the cultures that make our PBMA community so special. On Wednesday, we'll come together for Unity and Kindness Day, which recognizes International Pink Shirt Day. Students are encouraged to wear pink to stand up against bullying and to promote kindness, inclusion, courage, and respect. This day highlights how kindness and unity connect across cultures and throughout history. Thursday will be 90s hip hop versus 2000s R&B Day. Students will dress in fun, decade-inspired outfits like baggy jeans, bright colors, sporty styles, or pop star looks. Keep it school appropriate, show off your style, and represent your favorite decade. We'll wrap up the week on Friday with Unity Day. Students are invited to wear red, black, or green as we focus on teamwork, respect, and the powerful message that together we are stronger. Our secondary campus will be celebrating Black History Spirit Week as well. Listen for the details during our secondary campus updates. It's time for a message from our elementary school counselor, Mrs. Stein.
We are in full swing with Random Acts of Kindness Week, and it has been so inspiring to see our students putting kindness into action. From thoughtful words to helpful gestures, our school community is showing how empathy and positivity can brighten everyone's day. We encourage families to continue these conversations at home and remind students that kindness isn't just for 1 week. It's something we can practice every day.
You are invited to join us on February 24th for an important parent training. During this session, families will learn more about what PM3 assessments are, what they measure, and how you can support your child's academic success at home. This is a great opportunity to ask questions and gain strategies to help your shark feel confident and prepared. We look forward to partnering with you and seeing you there. We invite all parents and guardians to complete the SEQ Parent Survey and share your feedback. Your input helps PBMA grow and better serve our students and families. Attention elementary families. This is an important reminder that re-enrollment packets are now past due. If you have not already submitted your child's re-enrollment packet, please do so as soon as possible to secure your child's spot for next year. Mark your calendars for our Astro Skate Night fundraiser happening on Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. This is a great opportunity for our families to come together for an evening full of music, laughter, and skating fun. More details will be coming soon, but for now, be sure to save the date. You won't want to miss this exciting night. And don't forget, get your Proud Parent stickers at the front desk of the elementary campus for $5. Here are some elementary campus highlights. The excitement was buzzing on our elementary campus as we celebrated our Spring Book Fair week. Our sharks loved exploring new stories, discovering favorite characters, and picking out books they're excited to read. There's nothing better than seeing our students so enthusiastic about literacy. Parent Night was a huge success. Thank you to all our families who came out to support the book fair and our school community. We love seeing everyone there. A very special thank you to our incredible volunteers who helped students shop, organize displays, and kept everything running smoothly. We truly could not do this without you. This week, our 3rd through 5th grade Sharks proudly showcased their incredible science fair projects. Students demonstrated creativity, critical thinking, and impressive scientific skills as they presented their experiments and discoveries. From testing hypotheses to sharing results, our Sharks truly shined as young scientists. Families had the opportunity to walk through the showcase, ask questions, and celebrate the hard work our students put into their projects. We are so proud of our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students for their dedication and innovation. Way to go, Sharks! In Miss Smith's 3rd grade class, our Sharks are diving into fractions. Students are learning how to divide shapes and numbers into equal parts, like halves, thirds, and fourths, and understanding what makes a fraction fair and equal. To make learning extra sweet, they use Skittles for a hands-on math activity. Let's just say they might be loving the Skittles just a little more than the fractions. Way to go, Miss Smith, for making math colorful, fun, and delicious. What a joyful day in Miss Dormelis's kindergarten class! Our little Sharks celebrated friendship with laughter, kindness, and lots of fun. They created beautiful heart collages, enjoyed fresh fruit, sweet treats, and danced their hearts out. One favorite activity was a heart matching game, where students searched for the other half of their hearts. Teamwork made it extra exciting. The fun continued with Bluey Freeze Dance, filled with giggles and great dance moves. A special thank you to our wonderful volunteers and to everyone who donated water, fruit, and treats. You helped make the day extra special for our kindergarten Sharks. And here are some secondary campus highlights. This week, our Wave Makers crew is working hard behind the scenes on a special project. Because of this, there will be no video release this week. Our students are using this time to collaborate, plan, and strengthen their media and production skills. We're proud of the creativity and teamwork they continue to show on our secondary campus. And don't worry, if you missed them, you can always catch up on previous episodes on YouTube. Stay tuned for their next release. And now it's time for Mrs. Short's Feature of the Week.
Hi PBMA, it's Mrs. Short here at the secondary campus. I just have some announcements for next week and the upcoming weeks. Next week, we will have our Black History Month Spirit Week. Here's the flyer so that you can know how to dress. Next week, we're doing something different on the secondary campus than they are on the elementary, just to change it up and to give it our own unique secondary campus flair. Seniors, your packets for Grad Bash are due next week, February 27th. Please make sure that you get in those forms to me and your payment as soon as possible. Also for seniors, our graduation is coming up on May 21st. Look out for more information concerning our graduation, but parents, you're going to want to put in your time now for May 21st. Attention senior and 8th grade PBMA parents. You can start sending your students' baby pictures into me at hshort@pbmalantana.org for the graduation slideshow. Thanks. Have a great week, PBMA. See ya.
Coach Storkel here with another action-packed athletics update. The boys basketball team at PBMA won their game on Tuesday, 42-17, against the Imagine Chancellor Chargers. Didier Jacques led all scorers with 14 points, and DeAndre Sherrod had 4 assists. Also, Dario Howard knocked down 2 deep three-pointers as the Sharks cruised to another victory. The Sharks are now 5-2 in the Charter School League and remain in 3rd place. Let's go Sharks!
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir.